So in the last vid, we were looking at the calcitriol and the parathyroid hormone, how it increases blood calcium levels. We're going to talk about calcitonin in this video here. So calcitonin, as we discussed previously, the thyroid gland on the anterior portion of the windpipe, the trachea, releases calcitonin. So thyroid gland releases calcitonin. What calcitonin does, it targets osteoblasts and osteoclasts. So calcitonin increases osteoblast activity and decreases osteoclast activity. So what does that mean? So osteoblast is obviously the building of bone, so it's pulling calcium from the blood to form bone, where osteoclasts are breaking down bone to release calcium into the bloodstream. So obviously the stimulus of calcitonin secretion is high blood calcium levels. So what happens, increases blood or osteoblast activity whenever calcitonin secreted. So blood calcium levels are low, the result of calcitonin secretion is blood calcium levels lower because the bone's not being broken down and releasing calcium into the bloodstream. So two things are happening with calcitonin secretion. That increase of osteoblast activity is pulling calcium from the blood into the bone, which is going to decrease the blood calcium levels, and then obviously the decrease in osteoclast activity, the bone is not going to break down and release calcium into the bloodstream. So the stimulus of calcitonin secretion is high blood calcium levels. The effect of calcitonin secretion is lower blood calcium levels because there's an increase in osteoblast activity and a decrease of osteoclast activity. And that's all due to the thyroid gland secreting the calcitonin hormone. Freaking crazy stuff.